you also will get the opportunity to put your pain in writing. So you will be able to see how those struggles you have can be made into purpose and impact some other people's lives.
Jam from family, the Jam from family, yeah. Jam fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. So we're here, we've been busy running around all morning and sweating now, and this is it. All boils down to this day. So this is where we're at. Black River Film Festival, inaugural staging.
So pause, hang with me, make sure that you understand.
And we've got quite a few of our students who turned up, and we're just waiting for a few to come, and we're getting ourselves ready to get started.
And I'm going to do the notion while we wait, because I think the notion is really important. We invite God as president. So who wants to lead the notion?
Morning. I've been out and been here since 7:30 and making sure that we get everything sorted.
Amazing.
And it's a good look.
I don't remember that because I'm old now.
Awesome.
One black person who wants to drink, yes, and Cersei, and lightly tea. Anybody remember those days? I do. So I really grew up in a hard life, a lot of hardships, a lot of struggles, and I moved around this place in a very difficult life. And then I wrote my story. This is what led us. I'm going to tell you why we're here. I literally wrote my story.
Right. Alright, so if I can do it, anyone who loves writing? Who loves writing? One, not two, not many? Four. Oh my goodness, man. That's not good. Alright, so today, I'm going to share with you about the science of storytelling.
Here we go, celebrities at Black River Film Festival. And we've got another. So the supporters have turned out to support us at Black River Film Festival. And on the outside we've got an interview running. Maybe you can spot the person who's doing the interview. So we've got a string of them here today, and tomorrow we're going to have quite a few more, all coming out to support the first and inaugural staging of Black River Film Festival. This is good, and we're having photo bombings, and pageant show is a big thing for Jamaica, and this is Miss Manchester for this year, Miss Manchester High School. So we've got Wake Up Jamaica and their crew here. We've got a few other people in the house, and it's going really good. Lovely day. We're on a break at the moment, and I'm taking a few seconds, and you might have seen Cornelius before on our channel last time when we went to JIS. At the moment we've got a house full, and it's going really well. Some of the Wake Up Jamaica crew over there. You're free to say hi.
To write certain experiences that you've had, so trials and certain challenges that you have. Like Dr. Brown has been her story about her challenges, and as the Mango Girl, you also will get the opportunity to put your pain in writing. So you will be able to see how those struggles you have can be made into purpose and impact some other people's lives. And one day you'll be the ones who are standing up and telling your stories to influence and impact them. Because after all, that's the whole aim. We need to be able to live life and live it on purpose. And you're getting a head start on that in comparison to many other people in your schools, because you're here getting this exposure. So you need to be mindful of making note of all the different things that are happening, as well as the people that you're going to get to meet. So it's a packed.
And Minister of Education here as well for their part. We've got the Jamaica Tourist Board over there. We have Heart NSTA as well. They are here, and there's one of their members, and we're getting ourselves situated for the afternoon part of our program.
Can you put your hands together for the Member of Parliament and North-Eastern Central Government?
Here, yes, you are our future leaders, and I'm happy to be here standing among great persons today. I just want to thank the great child behind the Black River Film Festival, Dr. Ava Brown. Give it up for Dr. Brown. Yes, I'm really happy to be a part of this. And I just want to take up education personnel, Ms. Anita Bailey, thank you for being here with us. Thank you for the time, your investment in our young people.
Wake Up Jamaica stand.
Start writing. Start writing your poems. Start writing your stories. Start putting yourself into the characters. You want to talk about what is happening to you, but you don't want anyone's doing it. Just repeat. There's a kind of therapy.
The rugged grey mountains rise up in majestic backdrop to the lush green valleys below. The air is alive with the sweet scent of blooming flowers and the gentle rust of pine trees. From the tranquil waters to the rugged cliffs, Jamaica's natural beauty is in true masterpiece. The island's diverse landscapes are a treasure trove of adventure, with hidden waterfalls, secret caves, and majestic mountains waiting to be discovered. And as the sun sets in the smiling oranges, starts twinkling like diamonds, burning into the breeze.
Me personally being a part of it in terms of I saw it, I feel this is also what I do such and just put my bits in it, and I feel like the years to come this can be something big in terms of getting more people to be part, because that's what I'm trying to take it to the next level. And I always tell people this Jamaica is not a place I'm trying where film can make sense. You know what I'm saying? Because we have the tools, camera is readily available to everybody.
Oh my God, step up person. See, just be choice. And I'm like, students first, children first, you know? I'll move on to the next category, ladies and gentlemen. The next category is Miss Editing. This category honors skillful editing within our crews. And to be here for that award is
Today, we are actually making history, as I said earlier, to be at the first film festival. Can you please bring Dr. It just bears fruit. And so that I want to thank you for stepping out and saying, I'm calling on behalf of Stephanie Marley, Dr. Rahman, and we would love to take part. And we work seriously hard. The partnership has been so much money in it, and she said, okay, give me my details. And that's what it was done. They were not hesitant, so put it together, and let's hear from Wake Up Jamaica, the Rich Marley Foundation. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Nice to be here. Blessings to be here.
The youth of Dr. Ava, thank you for taking one full day. No, it wasn't easy for you. You understand? Different politics. Everything works in alignment. And we, the Rich Marley Foundation, we're here to pure alignment. We move according to where the rhythm of the heart is. When I know you on the radio, we're iron. I said, Zambia, I'm going to have a week with their partners. This is a powerful movement. And we need to at least collaborate, at least get close to it. So we're very happy to be here. To me, has been invaluable. I appreciate you. And I tell you that every day, or don't have it. You know, when some people who not bougie and not stop at their own places, children are here can't say it, and they understand what it is like to be flexible, and they're all about Jamaica, and they don't think of themselves as celebrity, and they're too nice, they do anything. This is this one. And any opportunity I can open, and any door I can open for you, mark my words. I shall do it, I will, and I must do it. Because what Cornelius has done for this festival adversity, it comes back. When you don't think yourself to be broken down, it comes back. And thank you guys. Thank you for stepping out. Thank you for being part of this. I truly appreciate and honor each of you. And I know that you have etched something in this great nation for which you're either born, some of you are not born here. I know that. 1, 2, 3 of you are not born here. 4 of you are not born here. I think that we're only 2 born here. And we have American, all of us are 1, 2, 3, 4 British. 4 British, 1 American. We're not friends. We've not been there for 20 odd years. They lived abroad all their lives, born there, but they wanted to invest in this country. So thank you guys. And 1 quick second from each of you, and then I'll hand over. This is honor and a privilege to be here. I have spoken to Eva on so many different projects, and whenever she says, Audrey, come, I'm ready and willing to be wherever she is. And it's a pleasure and an honor, and I give thanks to her.
But congratulations to everyone who participated. I'm excited. I would love your experience here.
Good afternoon. I just wanted to say that it has full manifestation. We put so much work into this moment, especially for our young people. And if you haven't already done so, please make sure you get your tickets for tomorrow and Sunday, because it is going to be an experience not to be missed. Because a lot of work is going into it, and we're so excited to see what the result is looking like. We're looking forward to many more years to come.
And I'm getting to meet Julie Mango.
Alright, ladies, thank you for being with us. We are going to share. So, how are we doing? If you guys are looking very beautiful ladies, I'm looking rather beautiful this afternoon. So, let's get right into it. So the first question is, both of you, can you share with us your journey from corporate, from just being, what is that, for better term, just being a normal social media person to becoming an
Look who's won something. Let's see what it is. Yeah. So what did you win for?
I won this trophy.
And what's that for?
So I won for my narration on my documentary about the natural beauty of Jamaica.
And what else?
And I think also the sound effects.
Wow.
So I added it to my collection right here.
Well, you keep accumulating them as you go along, and that's all good. So how do you feel? You
I'm
have
happy that I got something. I do think everyone would have gotten something.
But no, everyone didn't.
Really?
No, it's just from the categories that they were.
There are quite a few categories, and you said that there wasn't that
Some,
much people.
well, there was quite a few entry actually. We had over 12 entries that went through, and for the first staging that was quite a lot. So we had, and that's just for the youth, that's not for the adult entries. The adult have a lot more as well. And so and there were lots of categories, but even there are some of the production people who actually won 2 things.
Did you get one?
Well, I didn't submit any. It was just for the, I'm talking for the youth short film. Some of them actually won.
Did you submit anything for your adult production?
Because I was busy organizing other things.
One of your
My feet are sore. I'm so tired. I've been on my feet from 7:30 this morning, and now it's what, 6 o'clock or so.
about that time.
So I'm just so happy that I got home, and proud of you that even though you said, oh, I'm rushing this and getting it in, it's not my best work, but I'm getting it in, and you still won in one of the categories. So that's good. Onwards and upwards.
I do think if I started earlier, I might have won, or at least closer to winning. But I'm glad.
Oh, do you mean like the cash prize? Because you did win. You won in one of the.
No, like closer to
categories.
winning the main prize.
Okay, I follow. And you would have had a lot more chance at doing that. So what's the lesson learned?
That my voice can win me things.
Well, that's a good.
And I probably should
lesson
become a
learned.
voice actor.
That's a good lesson learned. And in terms of the other thing where you say probably, what's the lesson learned there?
not doubting myself.
Okay. So,
Oh, and not procrastinating.
oh, okay. So that's something, and we all have to work on that, you know. Procrastination can be a thing that we constantly say, oh, we can do it then, we can do it then, we can do it then. And unless we prioritize things, we keep procrastinating. So you did do it in the end. And so you have to reward yourself for that. And then now you take away from it the fact that you procrastinate less next time around by prioritizing it if you are interested in doing your absolute best in it. But you did your best in the time you had, and it paid off. You won in one of the categories. So take the win, run with it, and then add the improvement. That's how life goes. Thank you for staying with us on this episode. Bye for now, and we'll see you in the next one.